The first step of installation. First, align the screw mounting holes at the bottom of the device. Then fix it after connecting with screws. The second step is to install the upper cover. First, install the upper cover. Fix both sides with screws. Step 3. Install and fix the flange with 6 screws. Step 4. Fix the screws on both sides of the tray. Step 5. Install the vacuum gauge. The assembly steps are complete.